Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data analytics with Google Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by introducing the concept of data analytics and its significance in modern businesses. Explain how Google Cloud offers a robust platform for scaling data analytics. Begin by creating a Google Cloud account if you don't already have one. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Set up a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. Select New Project and give it a relevant name for your analytics tasks. Enable billing for the project to access all necessary services. Head to the Google Cloud Marketplace and search for data analytics tools. Consider using BigQuery, Google's serverless data warehouse, as your primary analysis tool. Click on BigQuery to open its interface. Upload your dataset by selecting the Create Dataset option. Follow the prompts to set the dataset's name and location. Once the dataset is created, click Create Table to import your data. Choose the data source type, such as Google Cloud Storage or a local file. Define the schema by specifying the fields and their data types. After the table is created, query your data using SQL in the BigQuery interface. Use sample queries to get familiar with the syntax and functionalities. Explore the Query History tab to see previous queries and their performance. Next, consider visualizing your data with Google Data Studio. Open Google Data Studio and connect it to your BigQuery dataset. Create charts and graphs to represent your data insights visually. Save and share your reports with stakeholders to facilitate decision-making. Monitor performance metrics for your queries in the BigQuery interface. Optimize your queries by using strategies like partitioning and clustering. Explore additional tools like Google Cloud AI for advanced analytics capabilities. Regularly check for new Google Cloud features that can enhance your analytics processes. Stay updated with best practices in data governance and compliance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.